Hey anglers! Today, I'll share 4 wild fishing bait secrets focusing on bait states for catching big fish. Using the wrong bait texture can ruin your fishing day. 1. Dry loose bait fast attraction, long stay. It's essential for big fish targeting. When it hits water, it spreads to form a feeding zone. How to make? Mix 1 part bait with 0.5 parts water. Add 20-30 coarse particles like corn grits or soaked millet. Mix lightly. Tips. For big fish, pinch into egg-sized balls. To avoid small fish, compress slightly. Refill the feeding zone by sprinkling. Don't knead with hands. 2. Soft loose bait, soft and hook-friendly. It's an upgraded version of dry loose bait. Tricky or big fish may spit out dry loose bait, but this one works better. Preparation. Start from drying loose bait. Gradually add water in 3 small portions. It should stay on the hook during casting and break apart after 1 minute in water. It's great for autumn and winter big fish. 3. Bait state quick reference. Here's a table to match bait to fish. Pull bait 1:1. Water ratio. For small, mouth fishing and high-frequency fishing. Rest 5 minutes. Minimal kneading. Soft sticky 1:0. 9. For slippery fishing, deep water, and when there's small fish interference. No pulling powder, lightly press to shape. Dry loose 1:0. 5. For big fish, fast attraction. Add 20%. Coarse particles, keep loose. Soft loose 1:0. 7. For tricky big fish, light feeding in autumn or winter. Start from drying loose. Add water gradually. 4. Top 3 tools for efficient bait prep. Measuring cups for precise water ratios, folding bait trays for easy cleaning, and bait spoons for evening distribution. These tools double bait prep efficiency. Final tips. There's no one size fits all for bait state. Adjusted according to fishing behavior. Bring this guide on your next fishing trip. Use different baits for different situations. If you like these tips, hit like, save, and subscribe for more wild fishing secrets.